Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top for Best Zippo Lighter Review. Number 4. This genuine Zippo oil lighter showcases a bold hip-hop monkey design, crafted from premium copper. Windproof and fueled by kerosene, it provides reliable ignition in any environment. Perfect for cigarette enthusiasts, this lighter comes with an anti-counterfeiting code, ensuring authenticity. A unique, stylish gift blending functionality with a trendy urban vibe. Number 3. Description: genuine Zippo lighter. Every product has anti-counterfeiting codes to ensure authentic products. All products are free of freight because they are special goods. They can only use special logistics, which is decided by different countries. There will be tracking information throughout. It will arrive in 8 to 30 days. Number 2. Specifications: high concerned chemical, none, usage, cigarette, model number, RF167, material, mirror, style, windproof, brand name, Zippo, origin, US, origin. Number 1. This genuine Zippo oil lighter features intricate Maya culture designs, crafted in durable copper. It's windproof and operates with kerosene, ensuring reliable use in any conditions. Comes with an anti-counterfeiting code for authenticity verification, making it a perfect collectible or gift. A blend of heritage, quality, and functionality in one stylish lighter. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.